Accents give us a little bit of power, a little bit of oomph to the chord that we're playing. And in a chord progression, you often see them shown like this, as a chevron. So as you see from this chord progression here, that first beat in the bar is accented. Have a listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So while you could hear that it was a little bit louder, the progression itself, it doesn't speed up, it doesn't slow down. It's just an accent, it's just a little bit of extra power, a little bit of stress on that first beat. So let's try it together. Accent the first beat of each bar. Try not to speed up, obviously try not to slow down either. So here we go, courage now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. So one more thing here, and you can see with this new chord progression here, we now have 2 chevrons. And so therefore 2 beats of the bar are going to be accented. And in this case, it's the first beat and the third beat of the bar. So again, watch my hand closely. Listen to the different accents in this simple chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even with just a little bit of accenting, the chord progression sounds a little bit more interesting. So again, let's try it together. Here we go. Courage now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Value out of this acoustic guitar lesson, then please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on the notification buttons for lessons just like this for absolute beginners. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I'd love to connect with you guys. Why don't you check out this video here to continue your guitar strumming journey. I'm very grateful for you being here. Thanks for watching. Happy strumming.